In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate subtraction in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, a handy tool if you frequently work with forms and need to perform simple calculations without switching to other software. We'll break this down step by step so you can easily follow along and apply the method to your own documents. First, let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. After launching the application, you'll need to open the PDF document in which you want to perform the subtraction. Simply go to File in the top menu, select Open, and then choose your desired file. With your PDF now open, the next step is to head over to the right-hand pane and click on All Tools. From the list of options available, you'll want to select Prepare Form. This feature allows us to create interactive PDF forms. Once you're in the Prepare Form view, click on Create. This will convert the document into a form that we can modify with fields for input. Afterwards, you'll need to add text fields to the document where users will input the numbers. To do this, select the Text Field tool from the toolbar. Click on the area in your PDF where you want the first number to be entered. A new text box appears. You'll need to create a second text box where the second number is input, just as you did with the first. Now we need a place to display the result of the subtraction. So go ahead and create another text field for this purpose. This field will automatically calculate and show the result. To configure the calculation, double-click on the result field you just created to open its properties window. Here, navigate to the Calculate tab where we will set up the subtraction operation. Under the Calculate tab, choose the Simplified Field Notation option and click Edit. A formula box will appear. In this box, you'll need to type the names of the fields you've created for entry, separated by a minus sign. For example, if your fields are named Field 1 and Field 2, you would enter Field 1, Field 2. This tells Acrobat to subtract the second entry from the first. After entering the formula, click OK to save the calculation setup. Once this is done, close the text field properties window by simply clicking outside the window. You're almost done. The final step is to test the form to ensure everything works as expected. Click on Preview at the bottom of the screen. In this preview mode, enter numbers into the first two fields and check if the subtraction result appears in your result field correctly. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a subtraction operation within your PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. We hope this guide makes your work with PDFs more efficient and streamlined. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials.